Harold from Ask the Motor Guy, and look, we have been selling Polaris Hammerhead Gokarts for many years, and this is the 208R. You know what's cool about this machine? This machine is perfect for your kids. What's nice about them is they're easy to operate, easy to maintain, and a very good size. The first thing you're going to notice about this is that it has a very nice size. Now, it has independent shocks, if you look at each one of the wheels, and rack and pinion steering. It's got a single disc brake in the back, adjustable seats on the driver's side, and when you come in here and you look at it, it has got hydraulic brakes. There's the brake reservoir right there in the front. It has hydraulic brakes. Now the lights are full LED. It comes with two of them, and it comes with a horn. Now, the 208R is a full forward neutral reverse vehicle. It's got electric start, on-off switch for the lights, and a manual choke. The 208R from Hammerhead also has a CV belt drive system, which makes sure that you get the maximum power to torque ratio on your engine. The engines on these are fully self-contained with a gas tank, muffler, reverse, and it is both electric start and pull start. It takes regular gasoline and 30-weight oil. You know, these are really nice machines, and we highly recommend the independent suspension in the front and the rear. The Hammerhead 208R. It's great for kids. We've sold them for many years. We like them a lot.